Here's to the many years ahead in your Subaru. Part of your ownership responsibility, as described in your warranty and maintenance booklet, is to maintain your Subaru according to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. With a Subaru Added Security Maintenance Plan, it's easy to stay on track. Coverage includes everything recommended in your booklet, including genuine Subaru filters, fluids, parts, inspections, and tire rotations. You'll lock in the cost of scheduled maintenance at today's price and avoid potential increases in the future. And you'll also enjoy some extra perks like service and inspections performed by Subaru-trained technicians, the use of genuine Subaru parts, and a $500 coupon towards your next Subaru. Maintenance plans are available for new Subaru vehicles in increments of up to 3 years or 45,000 miles. For used Subaru vehicles, our Anytime plan is available in increments of up to 2 years or 24,000 miles, and also includes a roadside assistance package. Leasing your vehicle? Roll the cost into your monthly payment, and your only auto expense may be at the pump. At Subaru, you're part of our family, and our extended coverage plans are designed to keep you safe, on the road, and driving worry-free. Ask your retailer about added security maintenance plans from Subaru.
Welcome to the Super PolySteel Car Care System. Coating your vehicle's painted surface with a protective layer that doesn't just sit on your vehicle's surface like wax. The Super PolySteel finish actually bonds to every molecule of your vehicle's finish. Think of it as sunscreen for your car. And the interior product protects your vehicle's fabric surfaces from real-world mishaps, like spills from soft drinks, coffee, or even ketchup and mustard. Leather and vinyl are also protected from staining, fading, cracking, and UV exposure. Watch what happens when paint is sprayed directly onto the vehicle's finish. How about when we set the hood on fire? What if we spray paint it and light it? When your vehicle is protected with Super PolySteel, even these extreme substances are easily removed. Oh no! Is that a red sports drink? That'll never come out unless your vehicle has our interior protection. Spills and stains are no worries because your interior is protected. Keep your vehicle looking new inside and out with Super PolySteel.